Here's how to extend the battery life of your iPhone. Check this out. First off, go to settings, display and brightness, and turn on dark mode if you don't care on using the light mode. It's the screen that takes the most battery. Second, go to settings, then to battery, then turn on low power mode. Then go into battery health and charging and turn on optimized battery charging. This will try to charge your iPhone to 80%, which all lithium batteries love, and keep your battery as healthy as long as possible. Third, go to settings, privacy and security, analytics and improvements, and turn off everything. So that way your phone doesn't constantly try to send data to Apple, which of course drains your battery. For iPhone 15 and 16, go to your setting and battery, and now you could activate 80%. So that way you don't have to use a full 100%. Just like our Tesla, our batteries will last longer at 80%. From 20 to 80%, lithium batteries love 20 to 80%. So it will last longer if you try to keep it at that range. 0%, 100%, it starts to deteriorate the batteries. Of course, if you feel like you need the battery to last as long as possible, then change that so that way your battery can charge up to 100%. Personally, I try not to worry about the battery life. Instead, I take something like this with me all the time, like this Python MagSafe battery. So this is actually really cool. Not only can you use this to charge your iPhone through the MagSafe, it has a USB-C port that you input will charge the external battery, but it also has an output of 30 watts, meaning that you could even charge a MacBook, iPad, an extra phone, your friend's Android phone. On top of that, it has a little LCD screen that tells you the percentage of your battery. And the best part, it has a kickstand that allows you to stand your iPhone upwards. Now, if you turn it sideways, the cool thing about our iPhones is that it'll automatically turn into a cool looking alarm clock, and it's got different menus that you can play with. So in case you didn't know, that's really cool. And while you're at it, you might as well get a bundle pack from Python that also comes with this 120 watt fast charger that this thing could charge any device from your MacBook Pro, my external lights. I got all kinds of devices, my camera gears. And this 120 watt will give you the fastest charging possible. And it's got two USB-A's and it's got two USB-C's, so I highly recommend it. I got the Amazon link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.